Hi, my name is Colleen Powers, and I'm the head softball coach at St. Kate's and also a fitness and wellness instructor in the exercise science department. And what I want to make sure that you do while you're enjoying the fair is considering your health and wellness. So for myself, my athletes, and my students, what I want to do is make sure to outline some tips as you approach your day at the Minnesota State Fair. First and foremost, you're able to bring in your own healthy snacks, and I always suggest that before you get here, you eat a meal. You can also be seeking out healthy options like fresh corn on the cob, fresh fruit, as well as smoothies made with organic produce. And last but not least, we always encourage that you share some of the non-healthy options with friends and family because there's big portions, but at the same time, we still want you to enjoy the different foods that the Minnesota State Fair has to offer. So for me, there's two non-negotiables that I always enjoy while I'm at the Minnesota State Fair. One is Sweet Martha's cookies, and the second is a Pronto Pup. The Minnesota State Fair makes over 3 million Sweet Martha's cookies per day, and I know that each tub of cookies is about 4,800 calories, and so I'm definitely going to be enjoying that with some friends and family. When I'm enjoying these types of foods, I want to definitely consider the caloric balance. So how many calories are coming in versus what I'm expending. So there's very simple ways to track this, and that includes apps on your smartphone that count steps, a smartwatch that will track your steps, or a simple pedometer. The parade route at the Minnesota State Fair is 14 blocks long. That's a lot of ground to cover. You're also able to get a great stair workout here right behind me at the giant slide before you enjoy it on the way down. I know that if I enjoy 10 Sweet Martha's cookies, that equates to about 3 miles or 6,000 steps. And for a Pronto Pup, that's only going to take about an hour of walking at a brisk pace, which isn't always possible at the State Fair because of the crowds, but you can do your best. You can also seek out fitness opportunities at the State Fair, like free Zumba classes or workouts with a trainer or a local gym that are outdoors. We hope that you enjoy the Minnesota State Fair and can keep your health and wellness in mind.